I need something different done to my hair. I'm getting bored. I'm sick of looking at the same old thing. So come along with me while I cut my hair into a bob.
It won't be easy, only get what you work for. Gotta go all out whenever you see me. Don't be wasting my time. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel, read the signs every time. Let's be
Now that we've got the hair straightened, I'm gonna use a rubber band to help me achieve an even cut. It's not going to be perfect, but it's going to be close enough, and then I can just go in later and clean up the pieces that are not even. And I'm really just using a rubber band as a guide to let me know how much of my hair to cut off. It was at this point that I knew it was no turning back. Now the cut isn't perfect just yet, but I'm gonna go in and clean it up and make everything even.
yeah. Dancing on my own, see if you can follow. Got me feeling alive. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel, freak the signs every time. Let's be real, be real, be real. I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. I want, I want, I want. Hear me now, I do what I want. Are you ready now? 'Cause it won't be easy.
Now the whole time I'm flat ironing my hair, I'm thinking that I want to go shorter. So off camera, I am going to cut it a little bit shorter, and you guys will see the final look in the picture.
Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel, freak the signs every time. Let's be real, be real, be real. I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.